Good morning, everybody. We did the really hard work yesterday of taking some excellent notes from our book on weathering and erosion. And today we're going to take all of those notes and turn them into an excellent proof paragraph. Now, please remember that you can pause, rewind, replay this video at any time. Okay, let's get started. I'd like to go over our important science content words first. These are very important words that I really want everybody to know. Weathering, the slow breakdown of rock, sediment, very small pieces of rock such as sand, gravel, and dust, and finally, erosion, the movement of weathered rocks and sediment. Now, I assigned you a lot of books this week on EPIC, all about weathering and erosion, and I hope you've been reading them and getting a greater understanding of these concepts. The first thing your paragraph needs is a title that will let everybody know what they're just about to read about, and it will also need to have your first and last name right under that. You want to center that at the top of your page. I'm going to think of an awesome title, and I'd like you to think of one now too, please. Okay, here is my title, Our Ever-Changing Earth by Deirdre Morris. And I bet you came up with a great title. I can't wait to hear about some of the titles you came up with. But this lets the reader know that they are going to be reading about the Earth changing, which is exactly what we've been learning. Here I wrote the big idea, which is also the topic sentence for this paragraph. The Earth's surface changes over time. So go ahead and get your topic sentence, which is your big idea sentence, written in there now, please. Thank you. Okay, so if you recall yesterday, we talked about that we were going to focus our note taking on wind and water, and that's exactly what we did. So we need to let the reader know they're going to specifically be learning that the surface of the earth is changed with wind and water. So here you have it. Wind and water can wear down the surface of the earth. This is called weathering. And now what's really, really awesome and helpful to us is that yesterday we took such good notes and wrote full sentences. So we can just take those and pull them out and rewrite them in the proper paragraph format. So I'm going to take my learning from here, put it over here as a paragraph. You can see I have already indented to show it's the beginning of a paragraph right here. And I'm going to put our writing over here now, and I'd like you to write out your sentences. Okay, let's see our wonderful writing from yesterday in paragraph form. Our Ever-Changing Earth by Deirdre Morris. The Earth's surface changes over time. Wind and water can wear down the surface of the earth. This is called weathering. Weathering breaks down the surface of the earth into small pieces called sediment. This sediment gets carried away, and this is called erosion. The sediment ends up in rivers and streams. The movement of the water carves into the earth and makes valleys and sometimes canyons. When water runs in between the cracks of rocks, it can turn to ice. The ice gets bigger as it freezes. This helps break up the rock. In summer, the ice will melt and carry bits of the rock away. Glaciers also cut into the earth as they move slowly down a slope. Okay, so there is our paragraph. All it needs is a conclusion, and you should all know by now that you restate the topic sentence for your conclusion. And so it says right up here, the Earth's surface changes over time. And I am going to restate it as a conclusion. And it will be, as you can see, or as Alex would say, it should be obvious by now. As you can see, the Earth's surface changes over time. So all of the hard work we did yesterday made for a really quick, super simple lesson today. I hope you enjoyed writing your proof paragraph. I know I really enjoyed working on it with you, and I can't wait to do some more excellent writing with you after vacation. Have a great break, and I will see you all the following week.